I'm Anil Kumar. In this video, we'll see how to create linear inequality when the solution is given to us. We'll do three examples. The first one here is create linear inequality with both constant and linear terms on each side for which the solution is x is greater than 5. So let me also sketch this so it's absolutely clear to you what we're trying to do. When we say x is greater than 5, then at 5 we have a hole, right? And it looks like something like this on a number line. Let's read the next one. The idea is you can pause the video, answer the question, and then check with my solution. Second one here is create linear double inequality with both constant and linear terms on each side for which solution is x belongs to -5 to 3, both included. It really means if we have a number line like this, we are looking for a solution which is within the interval from -5 to 3, where both -5 and 3 are included, so we are filling this up. Do you see that? So we have filled circles. That means included. The last one here is create a non-linear inequality with both constant and linear terms for which the solution is x belongs to the same interval. However, this one is a non-linear inequality. Okay, so let me make a small change here. Just to make it different, we'll change the brackets to this kind. Means not including. Okay, let me change this. Okay, I don't want exactly same. Okay, so that really means we are looking for a solution where there are holes here at -5 and 3. They are not filled in. So that's the interval, right? -5 and 3. Okay. I hope by now you must have given the solution, as it is not that difficult if you know the concept. So let's write down the answers one by one. The very first one is linear inequality. So linear inequality with both constant and linear terms. So it's very important to understand these things. What we are given here is x is greater than 5. Now, x is a linear term. What we can do is we can add something to it. So we have a constant and a linear term. So if I add, let's say 3 on both sides, I get x plus 3 is greater than 5 plus 3. And that is x plus 3 is greater than 8. So that becomes the solution. So we have a linear inequality where the constant term is 3 and the linear term variable part is x. So I hope that helps, right? So the next one here is create linear double inequality. That means we're looking for something in between, right? So we are saying here double inequality with both constant and linear terms on each side for which the solution is that x is greater than, because this is filled in, or equal to -5 and less than equal to 3. So that is your double inequality, right? Now here what I will do here is we can actually multiply each term by, let us say, 2. So one step I'll do times 2 each term, right? So what do I get? I get -10 is less than equals to 2x is less than equals to 6. Do you see that? It is exactly same, which will have the same solution. Now at this stage, we could actually take away something, right? Let's say take away 1. Okay, both sides. So whatever we have to do is for all terms, -1. So if I do -1 here, I get -11. And 2x minus 1 is less than equal to 6 minus 1, which is 5. I hope that makes sense, right? So what I did was, each term I took away -1, correct? So I did minus 1 this time for each term in the double inequality to get you an inequality which has a linear term 2x and a constant term minus 1. Correct? So what you see here is that we can always add, subtract, or multiply, or even divide, preferably with positive numbers, to get inequalities in such fashion. Remember, if you multiply with negative, the sign will change. Okay. Now let's get back to the last one here. It says, create a non-linear inequality with both constant and linear terms for which the solution is x belongs to minus 5 to 3, both not included. Right? So when it comes to non-linear, think about parabola, right? Or a cubic function. So if I'm thinking about a parabola, for example, that could be 1. Do you see that? You see that parabola? Now, if I want this center portion to be my solution, then basically, what am I looking for? I'm looking for that this parabola should be less than 0 between these 2 points, right? And therefore, I could actually write a factored form of this parabola. Zeros at minus 5 and 3. So I can say x plus 5. This factor will give me 0 here times x minus 3, which is 0 at the other point. And we want negative values less than 0, not included. I changed my equation, correct? So that could be your answer. It is nonlinear, as you can see. If I multiply, what do I get? I get x squared minus 3x with 5. If I multiply, I get 5x minus 15 is less than 0, or I get x squared plus 2x minus 15 is less than 0. So we have a non-linear inequality with both constant linear terms for which the solution is as given to us. So I hope with this video you understand the basic concept that you can create the question from the given solutions. It's going backwards, and that really shows that you've understood all the concepts. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching my video. Feel free to write your comments and share my videos. Thank you and all the best.